A double-acting cylinder uses hydraulic or pneumatic. Here's a simple step-by-step explanation of how it works. Components involved. Double-acting cylinder has two ports, one for extending, one for retracting. Pressure to extend and retract a piston in both directions. When controlled by a solenoid valve, typically a 5/2 way or 4/2 way valve, the movement is electrically actuated. Solenoid valve usually a 5/2 or 4/2 valve, 5 ports. 2 positions or 4 ports, 2 positions. Compressor, air supply provides pressurized air. Electrical control sends signal to solenoid coils. Operating procedure. 1. Initial state, no power to solenoid. One side of the valve connects the air supply to one port of the cylinder, e.g. rod side. The other port, e.g. cap side, is connected to exhaust. This causes the piston to retract. Solenoid AOFF, solenoid BON, cylinder retracts.